Uh, Alright, so here's how to make carousel post on Instagram using Canva. So first of all, just open Canva. So here we are. If you don't have Canva, download it from Play Store or App Store. Alright, now just click on this option, search template, and here uh, type carousel for Instagram and search it. And as you can see, different type of templates are showing. I'm going with this one. Now here, click on slide on the bottom, slide to the right, and click on upload. From here, you can upload all the photos and videos, and just you can use this photo in the carousel. Pretty much, you can just edit the text by clicking on it, and you can add image on the carousel according to the way you want. So this is very simple. You will understand it on your own. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.